ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan. Everyone wants to secure their financial future. For this, you need to properly channelize your hard-earned money by investing in various asset classes to grow wealth. Do you want to secure your future? Will this plan really help to fulfill your dreams at different stages of life? Let us look into the features and working of this policy. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan is a non-participating unit-linked life insurance plan. Let us look into the features, fund options for investments, advantages and disadvantages in detail. First, what are the plan options available under the ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan? There are two plan options, Classic option and Assured option. Under Classic option, the sum assured and additionally the fund value will be paid to the policyholder on maturity date or to the nominee in case of unfortunate death of the life insured during the policy term. Under Assured option, on the occurrence of any critical illness or total and permanent disability, all future installment premium under the policy shall be paid by the company till the end of the policy term or death if earlier. Now, let us move on to the features of ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan. Dual benefit of life insurance cover and wealth accumulation. Partial withdrawals are allowed to meet any emergency fund requirement. Top-up premium can be added whenever you have additional savings. What are the benefits you get under ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan? Let's see. Death benefit. Under Classic option, the nominee will receive basic fund value as on date of intimation of death plus basic sum assured. In addition, the nominee will also receive the top-up fund value as on date of intimation of death plus top-up sum assured if any. At all times, the death benefit shall never be less than 105% of the total basic premium and top-up premium paid. Under Assured option, in case of life insured suffering from any of the specified critical illness or total and permanent disability during the policy term, all future premiums, if any, shall be paid by the company and all other benefits from this policy will remain unaffected. Maturity benefit. The basic fund value plus the top-up fund value, if any, as on date of maturity is paid to the policyholder. Now let us look what are the investment options under this plan. Smart, systematic transfer, return optimizer and self-managed. Let us look one after the other in detail. Option 1, Smart option. Your basic premium will be invested in two funds. Maximizer fund, that is equity fund, and income advantage fund, that is a debt fund, in a predetermined proportion based on the selected maturity date and risk profile. There are also some predetermined profiles such as conservative, moderate and aggressive. The allocation is gradually shifted to a lesser riskier fund, that is debt, when the policy approaches maturity. Option 2, Systematic transfer plan. Your premium shall be first allocated to a liquid fund and thereafter monthly or weekly an allocated amount shall be transferred to a segregated fund or funds of your choice. You can choose up to a maximum of 4 segregated funds out of the 8 fund options. This option is available only for the premium payable in annual mode. Option 3, Return optimizer mode. Basic premium is invested in the maximizer fund and it will be tracked every day for any gains. If the gain from the maximizer fund reaches 10% or more of the net investment amount, then the amount equal to the appreciation will be transferred to the income advantage fund to protect it from future market volatility. Option 4, Self-managed fund. The policyholder has a full freedom to control and switch from one segregated fund to another among 16 segregated funds. The only condition is that the allocation to a particular fund must be in 5% or multiples thereof. This is the glimpse of the 16 fund options under self-managed mode. Based on the asset allocation and the risk profile, you can choose an appropriate fund of your choice. The various charges under ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan. Premium allocation charge. From year 1 to 10, it is 5% of premium. From year 11 onwards, it is nil. It is 2% for top-up premium. Fund management charge 1% per annum for liquid plus income advantage, assure, protector and builder. 1.25% per annum for enhancer, creator, capped Nifty index and asset allocation fund. 1.35% per annum for MNC, magnifier, maximizer, multiplier, super 20, pure equity and value momentum funds. Policy administration charge. For policy year 1 to 5, it is 1.4% per annum of basic premium. For policy year 6 to 10, it is 1.9% per annum of basic premium. And there is no policy administration charge from policy year 11 onwards. The charges as shown above are subject to maximum of 6,000 per annum. Mortality charge. Based on age, gender and premium band, the mortality charges varies. Waiver of premium charge. The charges of critical illness and total and permanent disability depends on gender and age. Miscellaneous charges. Rupees 50 will be charged per request for change in investment option, premium redirection, fund switch and partial withdrawal. Discontinuance charge. It applies to policy discontinuance and surrender. It varies depending upon the year of discontinuance and the annualized premium ranging from Rs 1,000 to Rs 6,000. Now let us weigh the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan. Facility to change the investment option chosen at the time of inception. Some options can be changed anytime during the year and some options can be changed only on the policy anniversary. A top-up premium helps to increase the fund value. Guaranteed additions on policy anniversaries is added to the fund value. Rider benefit and income tax benefit are also available. Disadvantages. After the deduction of various charges, the premium is invested in the chosen fund. The lock-in period is 5 years. There is no liquidity in the first 5 years of your policy. There is no loan option available. Guaranteed additions start after the completion of 10 policy years. We would like to summarize that ULIP products are tax-saving instruments that act as a disciplined investment for wealth accumulation along with life insurance cover. It is marketed as an all-in-one product, but the main drawback in investing in ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan is you might have to pay various charges like premium allocation charge, fund management charge and policy administration charge and so on. These charges bring down your return. Capital appreciation is also not on par with any other market related products. So, in the long run, you will fall short of the required corpus for your goals. Alternatively, if you opt for a pure term insurance for your life cover and invest the balance amount in mutual fund, which is similar to the investment approach under any ULIP, it can give you better return compared to ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan in the long run. There is more transparency in the operation of mutual funds. You can choose either equity fund or debt fund or hybrid funds depending on your risk appetite and time horizon of financial goals. If you would like to read a detailed review of ABSLI Wealth Assure Plus plan, then click the link in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.